Hello, I'm Vivian. Today I will share with you how to make a eucalyptus leaf. Prepare a green balloon. Stretch and inflate it. Knot it. Keep 7 to 8 finger at the end. Make a small single bubble. And make a double ear bubble. Now it's just like this. Let's make a little bubble. Then make a bigger double ear bubble. Massage the balloon at times to make it softer. Okay. Follow the same step, a small single bubble and a double ear bubble. Keep going. A small single bubble and a double ear bubble. If you want longer leaves, you can add more balloons. Adjust it slightly. Our eucalyptus leaf is finished. Follow me to learn more about balloon design.